Welcome back to my workshop. Now today's probably going to be the quickest unboxing I've ever done. What I've done is I've gone out and bought one of these, which is an Erbauer right angle driver. Now the reason it's going to be quick is because I need to use this right now. So let's get it out of the box. Right, so previously I've used one of these, which is great. It's an angle driver. Basically you put this in your drill driver like this, okay, and it drills at an angle, okay, or screws at an angle. But the problem I've got with this is not actually a right angle. Okay, let's put a bit in it so you can see how different it is. Right, so I've got a long bit in here so you can actually see. Now this is obviously a right angle. Let's put this up against the body. And you can see that's not a right angle. Okay, so this, although it's good, sometimes you just need that right angle. So that's why I've got this. So let's get it out of the packet and see what we got. UK manufacturer, okay. I got this from Screwfix. It was £12.99. Okay, and that's all you get. Okay, plastic body. Yeah, feels okay. Let's put the same bit in it and see if we've actually got a right angle. Okay, that's more like it. Right. Okay, let's check and make sure it goes around okay. Let's put another bit in it. Okay, so just put another bit in it here. Yeah, it does exactly what you want it to do. And it's quite a nice grip on it. Let's pull that out of here a sec. It's quite a nice grip. On this one here, it's got this silly little blade which actually comes off, which is good sometimes because you don't want it in the way. But this one, you can actually get hold of it if you've got room to get hold of it, okay? But most of the time I'll probably be using it like that. Right, well, that appears to do what I want it to do. Let's just drive a screw into a piece of wood on the bench, see how it performs. Right, so I've got this piece of MDF. I know I said wood, but this is MDF, before you comment. I just want to drive this screw into here. I've just started it by hand basically. I'm going to try and drive it into there using this on the bench. Okay, I've got a small bit in now this time. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm actually going into the bench there. Yeah, they went in okay. Let's see if it comes out okay. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem handling the torque. Yeah, I like that. Right, so it appears to work. It actually feels quite nice. I know it's an Erbauer and it's, you know, not the most expensive thing in the world, but this looks like it's going to be the perfect tool for the job. Right, let me get out to the job I'm trying to do and see if I can actually make it work in real life. Okay, so this is the scenario we've got. Here I'm trying to screw a batten in. Screws here, but obviously I haven't got enough room here to fit anything else in. And this fits in there perfectly. Yeah, well, a little bit snug, but I've got a short bit in there and it worked a treat. So I managed to get the first three in. I've just got loads more to do now. Right, that works. Okay, so I've just used this in real life. It works. It does exactly what I wanted it to do. It gives me more of a right angle than these ones. These are okay, but this one gives me just the right amount of angle. I did say this was a UK manufacturer, but it's actually made in China. Okay, but it feels okay. This is plastic, this is carbon steel apparently. The bearings, don't know how long they'll last, but it's just got me out of a big hole, so I'm quite pleased with that. So would I buy one? Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. I mean, it's just saved my bacon. So yeah, you can buy more expensive ones, different brands, but this one just seems to have done exactly what I wanted to do. As I say, £12.99 from Screwfix, and I've got it today, and it's a Sunday. Right, so that's it. Very quick opening and review of the Erbauer right angle driver from Screwfix. Right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.